I don't know how I would pay for that. Good morning, everyone. Today I woke up with bad news about my own car. I don't like this. My battery is gone, and I don't know how I would pay for that. My house got some modifications like this. Now I have a garage. And is that my car come back, and I at my work, my 9 to 5, and I have a piece of art on my side. What do you mean, Jason? What do you mean with piece of art? I mean the German model called Go. Look at this. These tires, these backlights. It's a Model 2 or Gen 2.